How to use Shopify for a fitness studio. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to use Shopify for a fitness studio. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link down in the description below which will redirect you to a sign-up page for Shopify and where you can get a 3-day free trial. And then after those 3 days, these 3 plans over here, the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan will only cost you $1 per month instead of $19, $49, and $299. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So the big question is, why should you use Shopify for your fitness studio? Well, Shopify allows you to promote your services online and of course manage everything in one place. So it has features like checking out your analytics, making discounts, and of course customizing your online store. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to add our service. So to do that, just go to products over here, click on add product, and after that what you want to do is just name or put the name of your service right here. So for example, the first one that I'll be adding is group fitness classes right here, and after that just input the description of your service right here. So I'll just use Shopify's AI right here. So I'll just input the keywords, click on generate, and after that you can either keep this or generate a new one. For me, I'll just keep it. Next is media. So in here, just upload the image or video of your service. So for example, I'll be using this one right here. So I'll just go back to Shopify and then just upload it. And then there you go. So while it's uploading, you can also upload more images just by clicking on this button right here. Next is category. So in here, just input the category of your service right here. But usually Shopify does this automatically after you input the name, the description, and the media of your service. Next is pricing. So in here, just input the price of your service right here. So for example, I'll just set it to 1,000. There you go. And next is inventory settings. So we can untick this box over here since we're not tracking any physical products. Same goes with shipping, so we're not really selling any physical products. Next is variants. So in here you can add variants for your service right here. So just input the option name right here and its choices. So as an example, I'll be adding some different classes over here. So under group fitness classes, I'll be adding yoga and let's say some cardio classes, and feel free to add more, but for now I'll just add these. Click on done, and then after that what you can also do is set different prices for your variants right here. So you can have a different price for your yoga class and a different price for your cardio classes. So feel free to customize your variants out. Next is we have search engine listing. So this is what your service will look like if someone will search it online. And then the very top over here is we have status. So in here you can set the status as active or draft. And then we have product organization. So in here just input your product type. So I'll just add services. Next is vendor. So just choose your vendor here. You can also add this to your collection. So for me, I'll just add it to my homepage. And then lastly, just add tags over here. So again, I'll just add services as a tag. And then once you're done creating your first service, just simply click on save. And then after that, your service has now been created. So next, I'll be adding 2 more services right here. So I'll be adding some personal training services and specialty fitness program services. So again, to do that, just click on add product over here in the top right corner, and then just redo the steps that you did for your previous service. And then there you go. So I added 2 more services right here. Again, I added personal training and specialty fitness programs. So next, what we're going to do now is to install an app so that people that will be going to our website will be able to book these services right here. So to do that, just go to apps right here, go to all recommended apps, and then just click on Shopify App Store right here. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in the Shopify App Store. So what you want to do is to just search up for an app called Appointly. And then after that, just click on this one right here and then just simply install this app. So after installing the app, just click on open. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in the setup page for Appointly. So what you want to do from here is to just go to services. And then from here, just click on add new service. And after that, what you want to do from here is to add the services that you've made right here in the product section to this one right here. So first is I'll add the group fitness classes. So I'll just click on that, click on add service, and then there you go. Let's add a new one, personal training, add that, add service, and then there you go. And then lastly is specialty fitness programs, add service, and then there you go. So next, we're now done. So what we're going to do now is to customize our online store. So to do that, just go to online store over here. And then after that, just choose your theme right here. So you can use Shopify's default theme, which is Dawn, or you can use the themes right here at the bottom. So if you want to use these themes right here, just click on add, and then after that, that theme will now be applied to your store. But if you want to explore more themes, just click on visit theme store over here, and then after that, you'll be redirected here in the theme store. So feel free to choose what kind of theme you want to use. So yeah, but for me, I'll be using the default theme of Shopify, which is again Dawn. So I'll just click on customize right here, and then after that, we'll be redirected here into the website editor. So what we're gonna do first is to customize sections. So sections are usually covered around by these blue lines over here, and you'll also see its name right here in the top left corner. So this section that I'm hovering on with my mouse is called an image banner section. So when I click on this section, as you can see in the right side, there will be some settings right here that we can customize for this specific section. So for example, I'll just add an image right here, and then from here, I'll just choose my image. So for example, I'll choose this, click on done, and then after that, that image will now be applied to our section. Next is I'll also try to change the text over here. I'll click on this, and then after that, let's just change the text to welcome to my fitness studio, and then there you go. Next, what we're going to do now is to add sections. So to add sections, just go to the left side over here, go to template, and then just click on add section. And then after that, just choose the kind of section you want to add. So for me, I'll just add a featured product section right here. I'll just click on that, and then I'll just click on it again, and then I'll just select the service that I want to feature. So for example, I want to feature the group fitness classes right there, and then there you go. And then if you want to edit the other sections of your website, just click on this one right here, and then from here you can now start customizing your pages, like your products page, your cart and checkout page, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these pages out. And then before you save, what you want to do is to go to app embeds over here, and then make sure that appointly booking right here is switched on. So just switch it on if it's switched off, and then there you go. So once you're done, just simply click on save, and then after that, you are now done. So we can now exit out of here. So I'll just exit out of here. So to preview your website, just click on these three dots over here, click on preview, and then after that, you'll be redirected to your website. So when a person tries to book one of these fitness classes, I'll just click on this. And then after that, there will be an option right here that will allow us to schedule our times. When I click on this, we can set a date and a preferred time slot for these services. So yeah. So next is we have analytics. So in here, you'll get to see a detailed view about the analytics of your website. So you get to see your total sales, total orders, average order value, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have reports. So in here, you'll get to see all the reports related to your website. And then in the top right over here, you can also create custom reports. And then we have live view. So in here, you'll get to see a live view of your website. So you get to see your visitors right now, total sales, total sessions, total orders, and a lot more. So feel free to view this section out. And then lastly, so we have discounts. So in here, we can create discounts for our services. So to create a discount, just click on add discount over here, and then just select your discount type. So you can choose amount off products, buy X, get Y, amount off order, or free shipping. So feel free to choose what kind of discount type you want to use. For me, I'll just choose amount off order. And after that, just select your method over here. So you can choose between discount code or automatic discount. For me, I'll just choose discount code. And then after that, just input your discount code over here, or you can generate a random one right here. For me, I'll just generate a random one. Next is we have discount value. So in here, just choose your discount value between percentage or fixed amount. For me, I'll just choose percentage and leave it at 5%. And then after that, there will be some settings right here that we can customize for a discount, like minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combinations. So feel free to customize these settings out. And then lastly, we have active dates. So in here, we can set start dates and end dates for a discount. So just input their dates here, and also their start time and their end time. And then once you're done customizing your discount, just simply click on save discount right there. And then after that, your discount code has now been created. And at the very top over here, you'll also get a shareable link so that you can promote your discount code via email or social media to your customers. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shopify for a fitness studio. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.